I mean, how many different characters do you do?
About 16 regular characters.
Yeah. 16.
Yeah. Gosh. Well, is it as fun to make as it is to watch?
Yeah, I mean, the reason I ended up on The Simpsons is because I didn't want to be on a typical sitcom where you do the same character every week. I have a low boredom threshold. So the idea of doing 16 characters is right down my alley. You know?
Who's your favourite?
That's what it's like choosing between your children, presumably.
No, I have a clear favorite. C. Montgomery Burns. Because he's pure evil, you know. Evil people tend to dilute it, I think, too much. He doesn't have that problem.
Yeah. You find his voice more difficult than the others?
No. Actually, the most difficult is, Otto, the school bus driver. That's a little rough on the cords in the first thing in the morning, you know.
And people recognise just your voice as well, do they?
Yes, I had an incident in a grocery shopping a couple of years ago where I was just standing in line, you know, being an anonymous person, and the checkout person said, paper or plastic? And I said, plastic. I said, paper, actually. And the person in front of me turned around and said, Principal Skinner. I said one word, and it caught me.
And they're still just rolling on The Simpsons?
Yeah, mid of season 26.
26.
26.
Very respectable, isn't it?
It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, excellent. Well, thanks very much for joining us.
Thank you.
We have one more little bit we're going to watch in just a second. While we say Nixon's the One starts tomorrow night at 9 on Sky Arts 1 HD. New series Outnumbered gets underway tonight, 9 on BBC One. Harry's in episode 5.
Yes, he's in episode 5, and you've got to watch it just to see how much the children have grown up in the last 3 years.
Yeah.
So,
tomorrow, we'll be joined by the cast of the Scandinavian drama The Bridge.
Yes, but we couldn't let Harry Shearer go without asking for an appearance from Springfield's favourite news anchor to say goodbye. Over to you, Kent.
That's all we've got time for this morning. Charlie and Susanna, of course. We'll be back tomorrow morning, right here on BBC One. But right now, I'm Ken Brockman. Thank you for joining us here on The Morning, and have a great day, whatever you are.
Oh, brilliant.